Welcome to an exciting journey through the fascinating world of spices. Today we're diving into 40 unbelievable facts that will change how you see these kitchen essentials forever. Did you know that the most expensive spice in the world is saffron? Harvested from the crocus flower, it takes about 150,000 flowers to produce just 1 kilogram of saffron. Vanilla, the second most expensive spice, is actually a type of orchid. The process of hand-pollinating and harvesting vanilla pods is labor-intensive, which drives up its price. Black pepper, often called the king of spices, has been a valuable commodity for thousands of years and was once so valuable that it was used as currency in ancient times.
Cinnamon comes from the inner bark of trees from the genus Cinnamomum. It has been used in medicine and preservation for thousands of years.
Turmeric, known for its vibrant yellow color, contains curcumin, which has powerful anti-inflammatory properties, making it a popular choice in the health and wellness community.
Paprika is not just one spice. It comes from several varieties of Capsicum annuum, and its flavor can range from sweet to mild to hot, depending on the pepper used.
Cloves are actually dried flower buds from the clove tree. They were once so prized that they were worth their weight in gold.
The word spice comes from the Latin species, which means a kind or a sort. This definition perfectly encompasses the vast variety of spices around the world.
Cilantro and coriander are actually two names for the same plant. In the U.S., cilantro refers to the leaves, while coriander typically refers to the seeds. Cardamom is often called the queen of spices. It's one of the most expensive spices by weight, second only to saffron. Nutmeg has a history as a psychoactive substance. In large quantities, it can cause hallucinations and a feeling of euphoria.
The ancient Egyptians used spices in their mummification processes, believing they would help preserve the body in the afterlife.
Ginger, known for its sharp flavor, is an excellent digestive aid and has been used in traditional medicine practices for centuries.
The spice trade was a major driver of global exploration and trade routes. Many explorers sought spice-rich lands in their quest for wealth.
Chili peppers can be incredibly spicy due to the presence of capsaicin, which can create a burning sensation when consumed. Mustard seeds are believed to have originated in the Mediterranean region and are used in a variety of culinary traditions around the globe. Anise is known for its sweet, licorice-like flavor and has been used for both culinary and medicinal purposes since ancient times.
The spice known as mace is derived from the outer covering of nutmeg and has a similar flavor but is lighter and more delicate.
Fenugreek is used both as a spice and a medicinal herb. Its seeds have been used to make everything from pickles to curry.
The spice cumin is an essential ingredient in many world cuisines, including Indian, Mexican, and Middle Eastern dishes.
Szechuan peppercorns are not actually pepper, but rather the husks of the seeds of prickly ash trees. They create a unique tingling sensation in the mouth.
In ancient Rome, spices were so valuable that they were often used as a form of currency in trade.
India is not only the largest producer of spices in the world, but it is also home to some of the most diverse spice varieties.
Curry powder, a blend of spices, doesn't actually exist in India. Instead, various spice combinations are made based on the dish.
Lavender is often used as a culinary herb. It can be added to both sweet and savory dishes and is especially popular in desserts.
Basil is a sacred herb in many cultures, including Hinduism, where it is believed to bring good luck and protection.
The term spice is also used as a metaphor for something that adds excitement or interest to life, showcasing the significant role spices play in our culture. The distinct red color of red chili peppers comes from a chemical called capsaicin, which also determines the spice level.
Allspice, despite its name, is a single spice that tastes like a blend of cinnamon, nutmeg, and clove.
The earliest discovered spice was found in ancient Egyptian tombs, where various spices were used in embalming practices.
Pepper was so highly valued in ancient societies that it was often offered as a bride price in marriages.
Cayenne pepper is not just spicy, it's also considered a natural remedy for pain relief and circulatory issues.
Herbs and spices were among the first commodities to be traded and have a rich impact on human civilization.
If you ever want to enhance your mood, try adding some flavor from the spice world. Cinnamon and ginger are known for their uplifting properties. And finally, stick around because this last mind-blowing fact will change everything you thought you knew about spices.
Did you know that there are spices known to have anti-cancer properties? Oregano and turmeric are not just flavor enhancers. They may play a role in cancer prevention.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more amazing content.